September 1, 1939. Nazi Germany invades Poland from the west. Tanks roll, planes fill the sky. The Second World War has begun. In Danzig, the battleship Schleswig-Holstein fires the first shots. At the Polish post office, 56 men grab pistols. They will fight back against impossible odds. Hitler's blitzkrieg smashes through Poland. 2 million German soldiers advance. Stuka bombers darken the skies. Poland fights bravely but is overwhelmed. On September 3rd, Britain and France declare war. The world waits, but the promised attack from the west never comes. Poland stands alone. The Polish people refuse to surrender. Cavalry charges at tanks. They look west, waiting for allies, but the Western Front stays silent. Then, on September 17th, disaster strikes from the east. The Soviet Union invades with 1.5 million troops. Stalin attacks without warning. Poland is trapped between two giants. The terrible truth emerges. Hitler and Stalin signed a secret pact. They agreed to divide Poland. 2 dictators, 2 armies, 1 shattered victim. Poland is crushed between 2 hammers, Germany from the west, the USSR from the east. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Freedom is torn apart. The world watches from a distance. Britain and France do not march. Poland, betrayed by all sides, fights on alone against 2 superpowers. Within 35 days, Poland falls. The West faces Nazi occupation. The East faces Soviet deportation. Families are torn apart by dictators. Thousands of Polish officers are captured by the Soviets, marched to prison camps in frozen Russian forests. They believe they will survive. In 1940, at Katyn Forest, 20,000 Polish prisoners are executed by Soviet secret police. A crime hidden for decades. The fire of war spreads across Europe. Britain and France are at war, but the world has learned. Evil grows when good stays silent. The Nazi-Soviet alliance reveals dark politics. Enemies become partners in crime. 2 occupations, 2 oppressors, 1 nation shattered beyond recognition. By October, Poland is erased from the map. Its people suffer under 2 brutal systems. Promises mean nothing without courage. This war will claim 60 million lives. Poland's tragedy reminds us, when the world stays silent, evil wins, never again. Yet Poland's spirit never broke. Underground resistance, RAF pilots, Monte Cassino, Poland had fallen, but the Polish heart remained free. This is their story, the first victims, the bravest hearts. Caught between 2 tyrants, they gave everything. Peace must be defended.